I just now am becoming able to discuss my abuse. After years of verbal abuse, it's almost impossible for me to determine which kinds of verbal abuse I have experienced the most. Abusive anger, withholding, accusing, blaming, name calling. He said I whined, that I was hysterical, impatient, and had no respect, that I dry our dirty laundry out for the world to see. It's very sad because I have loved him very much. He destroyed both my love of him and my trust in him. I don't want to leave him. I want him to stop abusing me. But I fear it will probably never happen because he believes he deserves the power and prestige he thinks he has. He only speaks, at least he doesn't beat me. Perhaps I unconsciously pick fights or sound unkind? Why is it that, like many others, I too was blind?